everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'll discuss a step-by-step process of selling your house in San Diego in only a week. My name is Brian of Trusted House Buyers, and I really think you'll find this very informative and very useful. So let's get right to the good stuff. Did you know that it is possible to sell your San Diego house in only a week? If you're asking, how do I sell my house in San Diego this fast? Well, this topic is for you. When you work with Trusted House Buyers, for instance, you will get a fair price based on a number of factors and a very fast closing. We will work with you on your schedule to ensure a smooth and seamless transaction. Now, I'll get specifically to the steps in just a bit, but there are many situations in which a fast and direct offer is a better choice over a traditional property listing. People who need to sell before a specific date, who don't want to deal with repairs, or who need cash right away. In those scenarios, a direct sale is a logical way to go. Working with a company like Trusted House Buyers can help homeowners navigate any difficult situation you might be facing. We've seen just about everything and have helped a lot of folks in tough scenarios. So people who need to sell within a certain time frame will find great benefits when selling their San Diego homes directly to us. For example, do you need to sell for any of these particular reasons? You're worried about foreclosure and the bank may take your home. Are you tired of being a landlord, for instance, constantly dealing with bad tenants and downtime between tenants? Maybe the house isn't big enough for your growing family, or the exact opposite, right? Is the house becoming too big and you're tired of maintaining so much space? Are you going through a divorce and would you appreciate a very fast sale in that situation? Is there another investment you'd like to make that is contingent on the sale of your current home? Maybe you have some tax problems that are preventing you from selling in the past or present, or are there liens against the house that you don't have the means to clear before the sale? There could be code violations plaguing the property, and those are ones you don't want to take care of. It take a lot of money. Maybe you no longer like the neighborhood because it's been built up, or maybe it's been run down as another option, or you have low equity and you aren't sure how to really get out from under your house without paying even more money. Maybe you're dealing with a sudden illness that has become very expensive and burdensome, or in other scenarios where you've suffered a loss of a loved one and you don't wish to stay in the house any longer, or maybe in that scenario you're next of kin and you've inherited a property that is unwanted or a real fixer. So these are just a few of the reasons why people want to sell their houses in only a week. Our team can make it possible for you, no matter how difficult your particular situation may seem or how quickly you need to close. Now, let's start talking about some of these specifics. Step number one, get the facts. Before choosing how to sell your house, we highly encourage you to take a look at all of your selling options. While listing your house may make you think you're getting more money at the end of the day, there is no guarantee that it will actually sell for that much. Plus, when you list with a San Diego real estate agent, you'll have to continue paying the holding costs for the house while it's sitting there. You'll also have to spend money on the repairs, cleaning it, staging it, photos, marketing. When all this is said and done, you will owe your real estate agents probably about 6%, the buyers and the sellers, and maybe another 2 to 5% in closing costs. All in all, the traditional listing process can be even more expensive than you might think. According to the well-known website Bankrate, for instance, home sellers should expect to spend about 10% of the final sale price towards closing costs. That's a big chunk of money. So it is important to explore all of your selling options while being careful to account for all of the expenses that you're going to incur in each particular selling method. And here's another news flash. Zillow and Redfin are not accurate in their estimates. Additionally, you got to be cautious of anyone in the real estate business overstating what your house is really worth, only to back you down significantly sometimes on that number once you've locked into a contract or even a listing agreement. At that point, your hands are really tied and they have ultimately accomplished their goal, which is to control the contract or the agreement, and now they can change the route that you're going to go down. So it's important to note who you work with really matters. Now, step number 2, get an offer. When you call up Trusted House Buyers, getting an offer is very simple. We will carefully research your property as well as other recent sales in that area. We'll learn all about your selling goals and when you need to move. As quickly as possible, our team will provide you with a stress-free, no obligation offer. From there, the decision on how to sell is really up to you. If you accept it, we typically can be able to close on your house in about 7 days or even less. So of course, the actual day of closing is completely up to you if you have other things to take care of, because we're also conscious of the fact that you have a lot going on. So with our flexibility, we can ensure the entire process is handled to have the minimal effect on your stress levels. Step number 3, just get your stuff ready to go. If you accept our offer, the next thing to do is get ready to get all your stuff out of there. Keep in mind, we buy it as is, so there's no inspections to wait for, repairs that you have to do, no loans to wait for on our end. These are really the secrets of how we can close in such a short amount of time and so quickly. There's a lot less paperwork for you to deal with, and everything is handled through a third-party escrow company and a neutral licensed title company. It's all above board. The same as a normal transaction, but basically with less headaches, less cost for you to worry about. But while we were able to close on your house in only a week, we understand that you may not be ready to do that so quickly. So we will work with you when you can close on the day that is easiest for you. All you have to do is gather the items that you are keeping and take them, and leave the rest of the items that you don't want for us to take care of. We will take care of the repairs, the cleaning, the items that you wish to leave behind. It's all on us. Our goal is to make the selling price as fair and convenient for you as possible, and the transaction to make it really easy. So as you can see, the process of selling your house in only a week isn't very complicated when you work with Trusted House Buyers. We will make you an offer and close when you are ready, and often within 7 days or less if you can move that fast. You can always count on us for a great and exceptional customer service. So feel free to reach out to us with any questions at any time. You can even ask me directly, ask for me, Brian. You won't be dealing with a call center or a national firm on the Eastern Seaboard. We are locals. We live and work here, and we'd like to help you out if we can. So thanks for watching. We appreciate your time, and call us today at 619-786-0973. Thank you.